Hey guys, this is Sarvesh, and in this episode we'll be learning about divisible sum problems. So let's get started. So we are given an array of n integers and positive integer k. Find and print the number of I comma j pairs where I is less than j, and array at I plus array at j is divisible by k. So for example, we have been given this array and k. We have to find the pairs which matches the criteria, which is their sum should be divisible by k. So to do this in naive approach is quite easy, and we can simply start by picking one element and go ahead and add it and check whether it's divisible by k. If it is, then we increase the count, otherwise we skip that. So let's just create it. So first we'll create a count variable which is 0. So for I in range 0 to n, where n is the length of the array. For k in range, actually for j in range, actually yeah, without range we can also do it without range. I don't know what streaming works well. For j in array starting from I, moving till end, there we go. So what we need to check is if array at I plus j is divisible by k. If it is, we increase the count, otherwise we skip it, and at the end we return the count. So this should work. It doesn't work. Our output is 21 for some reason, I don't know why. Okay, let's try this. For some reason, which of course I don't know, chain range I plus 1 till length of array which is n. Let's try that. Our output is 15. I don't know why. Array j. Print array at I and array at j. Okay, it's 1 3 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. It's definitely not divisible by 3. Okay, so this was the reason, because it's returning, this operation is basically returning a number, and any number other than 0 is true, so that's why it was going there inside the if loop. So now our output is 0 for some reason. Alright, Yeah, so there we have it. So what was happening was basically, instead of adding these first, it was calculating its mod and then performing other operations, because modulus has greater precedence than addition. So that's why it was not working. Hence, we after we added the parenthesis, what's happening is basically first these two terms are getting added, and then it's taken mod with k, and afterwards it's checked with the value 0, and if it is equals to 0, then we are increasing the count, otherwise we are not. So I can also do it like this instead of using range, but since it works, then it's alright. So let's submit the code. There we go. We have completed it with all the cases. Now that's it for this video, I guess. I was just trying, but it's alright. Now I'll end it.